Here we have our HAAS VF3. It's a 1996, 7,500 RPM, 15 horse, 7-10 inch per minute rapids. We're machining a piece of aluminum, essentially just a clamp. It'll look like that. Running 7,500 RPM. Spindle was replaced back in August. The gearbox and the motor were replaced in February. This is 7,500 RPM, 90 inches a minute, 3 flute, 5/8 end mill. Spindle runs quiet. All the ball joints are nice and quiet. Tool changes smoothly. Everything on the machine works nicely. We have a couple of custom tool racks, or a tool rack and 2 tables that were added on by us. Our hours. Yeah, I put it in hazmat. I don't even remember what it is. Doing a video so we can put it on YouTube and sell it. Wired for 4th axis, brush 4th axis. Machine is currently running production daily. When taken out of production, when our new machine arrives, we have replacement windows that'll get installed before the new buyer, or before it goes to the new buyer. Currently under power, as you can see, of course. Pretty good. No, we're not tapping it. It just has to be a clearance pull for that thread, that bolt to fit in. Whatever that bolt is, plus. It's just for the insert machine. That's the insert that'll get pressed into the material. that's it. Thank you.